showing you how I took my room. It's like a craft room slash get ready with me room and makeup room all in one. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I took that room and what it looked like beforehand and turned it into like a boho chic type of, you know, you dig. So just keep watching if you want to see how I did that. Okay, so here is my makeup room, and I have an OCD problem, so they're kind of color coordinated but not quite. And over here is a hot mess. Like, this is kind of like craft stuff, so it's painting stuff over there, but I'm gonna show you guys how I get this makeup room all put together. So this is kind of the space that I'm working with. I'm gonna show you guys how I organize my little beauty room slash makeup room slash get slayed room. I'm gonna show you guys. All right, stay tuned, keep watching.
It was a bit late, but it was a Monday. Kept after class for answering back. You apologized and you home and then what have you done? There's no need to run if you've done nothing wrong. No lies should just pass you by.
Okay, so I went to IKEA and I got, this is the name of the bookshelves, and so far this is what they look like, but of course it's gonna have shoes on them, so right now everything looks kind of bare and weird, but you guys will see later. It's like Pure One in the States, and they sell really cute bougie stuff in there, but actually it's not really that much. So I'm gonna just show you guys a couple accessories that I went and that I went and got for the room. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this little tea light candle holder, and basically it's just like solid wood in there. And the price of it, I still have the prices on all this stuff. So I got it from it's called, no, it's not called Southern Casa, it's called just Casa in the mall in Italy, and it costs I was gonna say $3, but €3.49. So it's about equivalent to almost probably like $4 in American money. All right, so the next thing that I got is a little vase. They're twins. Well, not really twins, it's like fraternal twins. So yeah, they're fraternal twins. I got these two vases, and the short one was, I think these, it's so crazy because I think this is like the two most expensive things that I bought. So the short one, the short and wider one is €9.99, and the taller one and slender one is $12.99. Okay, so these are all like my little plants and stuff, and this is kind of how I have it set up over there. And yeah, those plants are real. That's an English ivy, and next to that is I forgot the name. Anyway, but yeah, that's kind of how I have that one set up. And then this one I have set up, and my little tree is real also. It was just hot outside, so all her leaves came off. Probably she got burnt, but it's okay, they'll come back. But that's kind of how I have that set up. And so together, don't mind the ring light, but yeah, so together that's how they look on the desk. And then up here is just some of the stuff that we got from traveling. So the little Eiffel Tower, we actually got it from Paris. And then the Leaning Tower of Pisa, we actually got it from Pisa. So those are my little babies, and yeah, they just stay up there. Alright, so well, I think that was everything, and I think that's the room. So I definitely want you guys to tell me what you think and how did it turn out, and if there's anything that I can add or take away, let me know. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, and now that the room is set up, I definitely will be doing way more videos and yeah, way more stuff. I got a lot of stuff planned for you guys, so keep watching. Alright, bye.